Rolling out success. How one businesswoman launched a new product. Jane was a successful businesswoman who always took on new challenges with determination and grace. She was tasked with rolling out a new product for her company and knew that it would be a complex project that would require her team to carry out extensive market research. As the project progressed, Jane made sure to follow up with her team regularly to ensure that everything was on track. However, she soon realized that they needed to cut back on their expenses in order to stay within budget. Despite this setback, Jane remained committed to the project and was determined to find a way to make it work. She decided to phase out the old product and come up with a new, innovative solution that would meet the needs of their customers. Over the next few months, Jane and her team worked tirelessly to take on the project and bring it to fruition. They encountered a few challenges along the way, but they worked together to work out solutions and keep the project moving forward. Finally, the day arrived when the new product was ready to be introduced to the market. Jane and her team celebrated their hard work and success, knowing that their efforts had paid off. As Jane looked into the future, she knew that she was ready for whatever challenges lay ahead.